Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip north on US 11, beginning at mile 101 in Vance, Alabama. Vance lies partially in Tuscaloosa County and partially in Bibb County, and at that county line, which you'll see at the 1 minute 41 second mark, is where we'll transition from the Tuscaloosa Metropolitan Statistical Area to the Birmingham-Hoover Metro. A construction project is currently in progress to widen the US 11 roadway from 2 to 4 lanes between the communities of Vance and Woodstock. The purpose of this expansion is to link the Mercedes-Benz manufacturing facility located in Vance with the recently established Mercedes battery plant in Woodstock. Furthermore, the region has experienced considerable economic and demographic growth in recent times owing to the existence of the Mercedes operation. We enter Bibb County, which was named for William Wyatt Bibb, the governor of the Alabama Territory between 1817 and 1819, and the state's first governor from 1819 to 1820. The county was originally known as Cahaba County, established in 1818, but was later renamed in December of 1820, a few months following William Bibb's death. Within Bibb County lies the Talladega National Forest, under the supervision of the United States Forestry Service, and a section of the Cahaba River that attracts visitors to witness the unique Cahaba lily. Bibb County's population was estimated at 22,477 as of 2021. We enter the town of Woodstock, originally settled in the early 1820s. Dr. J. U. Ray began calling the area Woodstock for the home of his ancestors, Woodstock, England. Dr. Ray built the first depot for the newly constructed Alabama-Chattanooga Railroad. After the Alabama Great Southern Railroad came the Louisville and Nashville Railroad. Each operated a depot in the area. In 1872, a line was installed down to West Blockton to ship the large abundance of coal found in the area. Woodstock became a break and storage yard for coal, red and brown iron ore, and cotton. After the Civil War, rich iron ore deposits were mined. In 1872, Giles Edwards arrived in Woodstock and built a blast furnace to manufacture pig iron. Edwards was later joined in the business by his son-in-law, James W. McQueen, who went on to become the president of Sloss Sheffield Iron Company in Birmingham. In addition to the iron ore mining, coal mining, and farming, a jug factory was built to take advantage of the large deposits of fire clay that was in the area. The clay was used to make bricks, jugs, pots, and churns. As many as 8 trains per day stopped in Woodstock, carrying away its riches, 6 of them carrying mail. The town was incorporated in 1996, inexplicably named North Bibb. However, on October 1st of 2000, the name was changed by ordinance back to Woodstock. As of the 2020 census, Woodstock had a population of 1,472. Here, Alabama Route 5 comes in from the right and joins US 11 in a concurrency. The construction ends here as the highway has already been expanded to a 4-lane between Woodstock and I-20 and I-59. Here we return briefly to Tuscaloosa County. Here we return once again to I-59 and I-20. This is US 11's fourth concurrency with an interstate, the third with I-59 and the second with I-20. For most of the way from here to the densely populated portion of Bessemer, it appears that the interstate was built right on top of the original US 11 alignment. As we get onto the interstate, Alabama Route 5 continues to tag along. We enter Jefferson County, located on the southernmost edge of the Appalachian Mountains. The county was established in 1819 by the Alabama legislature. It was named in honor of former President Thomas Jefferson. Jefferson County is the most populous county in Alabama, with a population of 674,721 as of the 2020 census. We enter the city limits of Bessemer, a sprawling southwestern suburb of Birmingham which reaches out along the interstate here for several miles. We'll see a lot more of Bessemer in the next video. We see a junction with I-459, I-59's second auxiliary interstate. I-459 serves as the southern bypass around Birmingham. We conclude today's video at mile 119 as well as the day of filming for February 18th, 2023. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 a month, you too can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.